Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meghna Menon, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. So today I thought I'd do a haul again, and this is not a haul from a particular brand like Nike or Amazon. I accumulated these things from different places and they look very interesting to me, so I thought I'd give you a small haul as well as review sort of thing. So yeah, without making this intro any long, let's get into the video. So like I mentioned, mostly these products are in the skincare or hair care category. Just one of them is makeup, which I will show it to you, but yeah, they are not from particular brands, they are all different products. So yeah, the first makeup product that I have is this. It is this eyebrow pencil from the Etude House, and so on one side it has this retractable, this like a crayon thing, and on the other hand it has this spoolie, like you can see. Yeah, and this is used to like do your eyebrows. It is in the dark brown variant, and this is beautiful. I used it on myself as well as a lot of my friends, and this works amazing on almost all eyebrows. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this because I was in love with this one. The next product I have is this. Now if you're wondering what this is a mask brush. So you put your face mask with this brush, and this is a silicone brush, so this is way less germ catching or something like that, and it is very hygienic. That's basically what I mean. This is hygienic and it's quite cute, and it does apply your makeup very well, so thumbs up for this. The next product is this huge tub, and it is this bottle. Basically it is this bottle or from the Parachute Advanced Body Lotion in coconut milk, deep nourishing for extra dry skin. I got this from the Nika sale, and it comes in this pump dispenser, and this smells beautiful. It smells so delicious. So yeah, it retails for 275, but I got it for like 130 or something, which is a steal. So yeah. The next I have is this. This is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and like you guys know, I use this as a face wash. This is dermatologically tested, and it was also recommended by a lot of dermats. So yeah. The next thing I have is this. This is the Rice Water Bright Rich Cleansing Oil from the Face Shop. Now if you don't know or don't follow me on Instagram, I had put up a story that the Face Shop was having a sale for buy one get one, and this was amazing thing because we had our eyes on this. So me and my friend picked one for each of us, and we paid like the price for one and got two. So this was awesome. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should. This is basically an oil cleanser, and it helps removing your makeup. So you just pump it in your hand, rub it all over your face, and it removes your makeup beautifully. It works really well, and my friend uses this for double cleansing because she has oily skin. So you can do that if you want. But yeah, the Face Shop, I've always wanted to try Korean skincare, and I'm glad I have my hands on one of the products. Now the next few things I have, I got them from Smitten. If you guys don't know Smitten, it is like a app, but it is a little different. Like you get starting points, and you can add products in your cart for these 6 points, and then you just have to pay for the delivery, which again part of that will be returned back to your wallet. So you have to pay 199 for delivery, and 169 is returned back to your wallet, which is I think really great. So I got these stuff as I think they're called as demo sizes from Smitten, so you get to try them. So I'll show it to you what these are. So the first one I got is from Scent Divans. It's the Himalayan pink salt and white water lily body wash. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful pink color, and this smells really good. I really like Scent Divans body washes. I even like the tea tree one. Yeah. The next thing I got was this, and this is by Indus Valley. It's their Hair Ease Spa. It's this small little tub with like white hair spa cream. This is how it looks. This is also really nice. It smells really good and really moisturizes your hair and makes it really soft after a wash. The next thing I got was this Vedic Concept Scalp Cleanser. This is free from parabens and sulfates. Yeah, this is how it looks like. This smells very strong and it does give you a very clean scalp after one wash. So yeah. The last thing I got was again from Scent Divines, and this is the hemp seed oil and aloe vera with neem body wash. So for those who don't know, hemp seed is basically Mary Jane, and it is a concentration of that, and it is turned into, from the seeds of those, it's made into a body wash. So yeah, so people who ask me, do I get high? I get high in my bathroom with hemp seed body wash. Those are all the things I got from Smitten, and the next I got some product from Dot and Key. So basically this was gifted to me by my best friend as a friendship day gift, and this is the Dot and Key Hydro Peel Glow Potion with 10% AHA and 2% BHA. This is the exfoliating serum. This is the outer packaging. Yeah, this comes in a beautiful packaging. It looks like a book and it has this magnetic closure. So it comes like this in this pretty bottle with this lavender bottle. So this is how the actual bottle looks like. It is a plastic bottle and not a glass bottle, and it has this beautiful lavender color, and it comes in like a dropper, like a very thick dropper. Now I have used this twice, and I thought it would like have a tingling sensation, but it does not. It does not tingle my skin. It could if you have like, I do have sensitive skin, but it did not tingle my skin. I did not really feel a great difference as such. I was very excited because it's like exfoliating serum, it's new in the market and all that, but I didn't feel a great difference. I'm hoping I'll try it like few more times and then feel some difference, but for now I have literally no idea on what to give a review for this because I didn't see any difference. But if I do see a difference in my skin because of this, I will definitely let you know. Also, I had to remind you that this is made of grapefruit and it has a super strong fragrance to it. So if you are allergic to like fruity fragrance or don't like fragrance on your skincare, stay away from this. This is super strong. So when I got the Dot & Q one, I got this small like a gift, and this is a underarm detox and color correction mask. So it is this very, very tiny tub. Maybe it can be good for 2 uses. So it is apparently an underarm correction mask. So you have to apply this on your underarms and it gets rid of discoloration, which is so innovative. So I've not tried it yet, but this looks really good. Yeah, those were the things, and now I have 3 other products from one particular brand, and that is from the Derma Co. And I ordered these products, and a lot of you wanted a review for it on my Instagram, so that is what I'll be doing now. So the first thing I got was this. Oh, sorry. This is their kojic acid cream for pigmentation. It contains vitamin C, glycolic acid, tetrahydrochrolum, and this can be used day plus night. This is how the inner tube looks like. Again, this has a really nice smell. I've given this to my mom because she has some pigmentation on her cheek area, and I've not seen any visible difference as such, but obviously it's pigmentation, so it's gonna take time. Though I've used this for like 3 weeks now, and I've also tried it out. I don't see any difference as such, but we will be using it for longer, and let's see if it works. So that is the kojic acid. Now the next thing is the minoxidil topical solution USP 5% hair growth formula from Derma Co. Clinically proven, and I had no idea what this is, but it sounded interesting and I got it, and later I realized it is it's some kind of treatment for your hair. I thought it just helps in hair fall, like getting rid of hair fall, but this is not for that. This is basically for bald spots or something like that. This is how the tube looks like, and it comes with like a pump and like this thing, dropper thingy, and I have not used it, not touched it, because I was trying to figure out how to use it, and apparently you have to be like super careful. It can grow hair on your hands, and it can give you lots of side effects if you're not using it correctly and all that sort of stuff, and it kind of intimidated me. So this is definitely not going to be something I'm going to try, but I am planning on giving this to one of my friends who I think will enjoy using this, because yeah, so if he finds some difference or some hair growth in like hair, his bald spots or something like that, I will let you know. But for now, and the last product is the one that I'm most excited to tell you all about, and this is the 10% niacinamide serum for acne marks. It also contains vitamin B3, zinc, and zinc. This is what it looks like, the outer packaging, and it comes with a bottle like this. The dropper comes separately. This is a glass bottle. So this is the niacinamide, and it was trending a lot, and I basically got it just because of all the hype. And wow, let me tell you, this thing works. It works amazing. I have seen a difference in a week, which is crazy. So I got like a lot of acne on my face. If you've not seen my how to get rid of acne video, I'll put it somewhere here, you can check it out. But I got like a lot of random acne, and that though the acne left, I had like scars, so it gave me a goodbye present, and I had like a lot of acne scars which were just not going. It is so frustrating because you're taking so much care of your skin and there's no new acne, but there is like so much acne scars, and I was so irritated. But I tried this for a week and I could literally see an actual difference in my skin. The scars had faded like significantly, though it's not like disappeared and my skin is like super smooth and super clear. It's not, but they were dark scars, and then they have like lightened to a great deal, and I can see the results. Like it is visible in a week, which is so. If someone is looking for acne scar removal, this is what you should be getting. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. This is definitely something you need in your life. And if you want to buy one product for your skincare to up your game, get the 10% niacinamide, because this is magic potion in a bottle, literally. I need to like control myself after I do this. So yeah, that was one of the most important things that I wanted to show you all, because I really think that would have helped you, because it helped me a great ton, and I am so glad I found it, and I want you guys to use it and like see the difference in your skin. But yeah, but before we go, I have one more product which I am 50% 50% excited and 50% freaked out to try, and that is this. So yeah, I finally took the step and I got myself a menstrual cup. So I am so scared, I'm so intimidated, but I'm definitely going to try this for this month of my cycle, and I will let you guys know how that goes, because I am so scared. But I'll make a different video with my entire experience, so be ready to see that somewhere. So but yeah, this is what it is, and it comes like in a plastic cover, and it comes with like a pouch, and this is from the brand Sirona. You get it from P-Safe also, but I got the Sirona one because originally that was the one I saw everyone use. But yeah, I'll make a vlog on that or something like that with my experience on this. But for now, I just wanted to let y'all know that I finally got this, and there is a video y'all probably should be waiting for, because this is going to be super informative for a lot of people. So yeah, with that, I'm done with my haul. I hope you guys like my products. Let me know what was your take on it, and definitely give the niacinamide a try, because I'm telling you. So yeah, if you like what you just saw, press that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.